Hello, and welcome back to English Audio, the place to improve your English just by listening. Today, we have a beautiful quote. It is about hope. It is about your future. This quote is from a famous writer. His name was C.S. Lewis. He said, "You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream." Let's say that one more time. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. What does this mean? Let's break it down. Section 1. What is a goal and a dream? Let's look at the words. First, you are never too old. This is the most important part. Many people feel old. Maybe you are 30 years old. You feel old. Maybe you are 40 years old. You feel old. Maybe you are 60 years old. You feel old. Old is a feeling. It is not just a number. C.S. Lewis says this feeling is wrong. Your age does not stop you. Now, what is a goal? A goal is something you want to do. It is a plan. It is a target. For example, I want to run a 5 kilometers race. That is a goal. I want to get a new job. That is a goal. I want to learn English. That is a goal. A goal is something you can achieve. So what is a dream? A dream is a big idea. It is a big wish for your life. It is about who you want to be. I want to travel the world. That is a dream. I want to start my own business. That is a dream. I want to be a great artist. That is a dream. The quote says you can always start again. You can always find a new path. Your age does not matter. Section 2. The problem. The "it's too late" feeling. Why is this quote so important? Because many people stop. They stop learning. They stop growing. Why do they stop? They have an excuse. The excuse is, I am too old. This is a very common feeling. It is very normal. We see young people. They are 20 years old. They have success. We look at ourselves. We are 40. We are 50. We think, my time is finished. My life is over. I missed my chance. This is a very sad thought. This thought is a trap. It is a prison for your mind. It is not true. It is just a story we tell ourselves. This story is dangerous. Why? It makes us give up. It makes us sit on the sofa. It makes us watch TV. It makes us stop dreaming. It makes us stop trying. C.S. Lewis is telling us to stop. Stop telling that story. Age is just a number. It is not a prison. You are not trapped. You have power. You have choice. Your future is not finished. It is just beginning. Section 3. The story of Colonel Sanders. Let me tell you a true story. This story proves the quote is true. It is about a man named Harlan Sanders. We know him as Colonel Sanders. He is the man from KFC, the man with the white hair. His life was very hard. He had many jobs. He was a farmer. He was a fireman. He was a soldier. He failed many times. He was not a big success. He just cooked food. He had a small restaurant on the side of the road. When he was 65 years old, something bad happened. A new highway was built. The new road bypassed his restaurant. No cars came. His restaurant failed. He lost everything. He was 65 years old. He had no job. He had no money. He received his first Social Security check. He was poor. He was a failure. Was he too old? Yes, most people would say yes. He could give up. He could stop. But he did not. He had one thing. He had a dream. His dream was simple. I make delicious chicken. People should eat my chicken. This was his dream. So at 65 years old, he set a new goal. He took his chicken recipe. He got in his car. He drove all over America. He went to other restaurants. He cooked for them. He said, "Please use my recipe. I will teach you. You pay me a small amount for each chicken." The restaurant owners laughed. They said, "No, old man. Go away." They doubted him. They said he was crazy. They said he was too old. Did he stop? No. He kept going. He kept asking. He slept in his car. He heard no 1,009 times. 1,009 times. But he did not stop. Finally, one restaurant said yes, then another, and another. He built a global empire. He became world famous. After he was 65, he was not too old to dream a new dream. His new dream started at 65. Section 4. The story of learning English. This is true for learning too, especially learning English. Many people think, "I am too old to learn English. My brain is slow. Children learn fast. I am not a child." This is a trap. It is not true. Let me tell you about a woman named Maria. Maria was 70 years old. Her grandson moved to London. He had a baby. Maria wanted to talk to her great-grandchildren, but they only spoke English. Maria was sad. So at 70, she set a new goal. Her goal was, "I want to read a story to my great-grandchild." She started learning English at 70. She found a teacher. Was it hard? Yes. Was she slow? Yes. Did she make mistakes? Yes, many times. But she was not afraid. She had a dream. Her dream was stronger than her age. After 2 years, she visited London. She sat with her great-granddaughter. She opened a book. She read a simple story in English. She was 72. She set a new goal, and she achieved it. You are never too old. Section 5. How you can set a new goal. So this quote is beautiful. But how can we use it? How can you set a new goal right now? I have 3 simple steps for you. Step 1. Forget the number. Your age is not important. 30, 40, 50, 60. It does not matter. The only thing that matters is today. You are alive today, so you can start today. Stop saying, "I am too old." Start saying, "I am ready." Step 2. Find a why. A new goal needs energy. A new dream needs fuel. Your why is your fuel. Colonel Sanders' why was, "My chicken is good." Maria's why was, "I love my family." What is your why? Do you want to learn English? Why? For a new job? To travel? To meet new people? To understand movies? Find your why. This why will give you energy when you feel tired. Step 3. Start small. Do not try to change your whole life tomorrow. That is too big. You will quit. Set a new goal, but a small goal. Your new dream is speak fluent English. Your new goal is learn 5 new words today. Your goal is listen to 1 English audio today. Your goal is study for only 10 minutes. Small goals are easy to win. When you win, you feel good. Then you do it again. This is how you build a new dream. Little by little, step by step, Section 6, Conclusion. So let's remember the quote from C.S. Lewis. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. Your life is not finished. Your story is not over. You are just ready for the next chapter. You are not too old. You are just in time. Start today. Thank you for listening to English Audio today. We hope this message helps you on your journey. Like and subscribe to our channel for more lessons. See you next time.